Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Eureka the Boss vacuum bags is probably one of the most essential accessories for maintaining the peak performance of your Eureka vacuum cleaner, ensuring that every cleaning session is as effective as the first, trapping dust and debris efficiently to keep your home environment pristine and healthy, making it a must-have for any homeowner who values a clean living space and the longevity of their appliance. Number 5. Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. Introducing the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, your new partner for a spotless home. This powerful yet lightweight vacuum makes cleaning effortless. Weighing just 8.6 pounds, it's easy to carry from room to room. Its 1,200-watt motor delivers robust suction for deep cleaning on all surfaces. From carpets and hard floors to upholstery and car interiors, this vacuum handles it all. It's designed for specific uses like stairs and tight corners. Its lightweight design allows you to clean your entire house with ease. Experience continuous, powerful suction for a truly deep clean. Replacing the dust bag is a breeze, making dust and pet hair collection simple and mess-free. It boasts a generous dust bag capacity of up to 2.5 liters. With included extension wands and specialty attachments, you can easily clean furniture, high ceilings, and those hard-to-reach crevices. What we like? This vacuum offers powerful suction in a lightweight design, making whole home cleaning a breeze. If you need a versatile cleaner that can handle carpets, stairs, and even your car, this is a great choice. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is very powerful and picks up dirt and debris effectively. The bags are easy to install and remove, making cleanup a breeze. The HEPA filter captures fine dust particles, improving air quality in the home. Number 4. EnviroCare Replacement Vacuum Bags for Eureka RR. Introducing EnviroCare Replacement Vacuum Bags, designed for your Eureka RR vacuum. Keep your home cleaner with these high-quality bags. These bags trap an impressive 99.97% of microscopic particles and allergens. They are highly efficient, filtering down to 0.1 microns. If you suffer from allergies or asthma, these bags are an excellent choice. They effectively capture tiny particles that can affect air quality. These generic bags are designed to replace OEM part numbers like 61115, 61115-12, 61115A, and 61115B. They offer a perfect fit for your vacuum. This package includes 9 replacement bags, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Enjoy a cleaner home environment with this convenient supply. What we like? Experience superior air quality with these replacement bags that trap 99.97% of microscopic particles and allergens. If you suffer from allergies or asthma, or simply want cleaner air, this 9-pack is an excellent value. What people say. The vacuum bag is a perfect fit for the Eureka Boss. These bags are durable and hold a lot of dirt. Easy to install and replace. Number 3. EnviroCare Replacement Eureka Vacuum 4870 Smart Vac Supply Kit. Introducing the EnviroCare Replacement Kit, designed specifically for your Eureka Smart Vac. This comprehensive set ensures your vacuum continues to perform at its best. Experience superior air quality with our 99.7% microfiltration bags and HEPA filter. They effectively capture fine dust and allergens, keeping your home cleaner. This kit includes everything you need, from RR-style bags and an R belt to essential filters. It's made to fit upright models like the 4870 series and others. Keep your Eureka vacuum running smoothly with these genuine replacement parts. Regular replacement ensures optimal suction power and longevity for your appliance. This supply kit provides a convenient and cost-effective way to maintain your vacuum cleaner. Get all the necessary components in one package for hassle-free upkeep. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for optimal vacuum performance, including HEPA filtration. If you own compatible Eureka upright models and want to ensure the best possible air filtration and cleaning power, this supply kit is ideal. What people say. The vacuum bags are a perfect fit for my Eureka Boss. These bags hold a lot of dirt and dust, and they don't rip easily. Easy to install and remove, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. EnviroCare Replacement Vacuum Bags for Eureka Sanitaire. Ensure optimal performance with these replacement vacuum bags. They are designed to perfectly fit your Eureka Sanitaire upright vacuum cleaner. Experience superior dust capture with microfiltration technology. These bags effectively trap fine particles, keeping your home cleaner. No more searching for the right part. These are made to directly replace original Eureka bag part numbers 62123 and 61820A. These bags are compatible with a range of models, including Eureka Lightspeed, Bagged, Boss Signature, Genesis, and Sanitaire commercial vacuums. Manufactured by EnviroCare, you can rely on the quality and durability of these replacement bags for consistent cleaning power. This convenient 6-pack ensures you have plenty of replacement bags on hand. Keep your vacuum running efficiently with this great value. What we like? These replacement bags offer microfiltration designed specifically for certain Eureka Sanitaire upright models. If you have a commercial-grade Eureka Sanitaire vacuum in the LS5700 or 5800 series, these 6 bags are the perfect fit to maintain its performance. What people say. This is a great vacuum cleaner, it has a powerful suction and it is very easy to use. I love this vacuum cleaner, it is very lightweight and easy to maneuver around the house. This vacuum cleaner is amazing, it picks up all the dirt and debris from my carpets and floors. Number 1. Casa Vacuum's 12 PK Style RR Eureka Vacuum Bags. Keep your Eureka Boss 4870 series upright vacuum running smoothly with these 12 style RR vacuum bags. They are designed for a perfect fit, ensuring optimal performance. These bags are compatible with several Eureka part numbers, including 61115, 61115A, 61115B, 63295A, and 62437. You can easily replace your old bags with these high-quality alternatives. Our vacuum bags are also compatible with Eureka Ultra, Omega, and Boss Smart Vac models. They are engineered to fit the 4800 series upright vacuum seamlessly. Specifically designed to fit models such as the 4870, 4872 at, 4874, and 4875. Enjoy a secure and efficient fit every time you change the bag. Replacing your vacuum bag has never been easier. These bags are designed for a quick and hassle-free installation, saving you time and effort. Manufactured by Casa Vacuums, a trusted name in quality products. These bags have been researched, developed, and engineered to meet your cleaning needs. What we like? Get a generous supply of 12 vacuum bags engineered for Eureka Boss 4870 series upright vacuums. If you own this specific model and want a convenient, easy-to-replace option with a large quantity to last, this pack is a smart purchase. What people say. The vacuum bags fit perfectly and hold a lot of dirt. Easy to install and remove, making cleanup a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.